Kasi Christina.
안녕하세요.
Okay, wa mo'y klase karon Inday. Kay
Ay, gigamit ang eskwelahan.
sa Marigondon. So since Milay ni Kachi sa iyang father no. So you will receive the delivery for Milay na lang ha. You have 2 packs of Choco Pie and also for Melay. And you will take a video na lang, ikaw na mag take since wala imong teacher. Dayon i-send lang sa imong teacher. Okay. And that is from Kim Sarangnim.
Kim Sarangnim, kamsamida.
Okay, and Kim Sarangnim gives me 200 pesos for delivery fee. Okay, Kim Sarangnim, kamsamida. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Hello, so I'm here in Kalubihan study room to replace the power bank. So because the battery of the power bank is drained already, so I connect the extra battery both power bank and replace this one, and this old one is balik. Okay, let's try. And that's it. Kamsamida.